Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at these two Microfill commercial boilers. They're both not working. We're going to be diagnosing them and repairing them. They've also got a Microfill 3 pressurization system. Now that's not working. They've asked me to have a look at that and repair that. I'll be sharing that with you in this video. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now this one had an ignition lockout. All I had to do is reset it and that's working fine. I did check the condenser and there's a sensor on that. I just opened it up and cleaned that just in case it locked it out. I got both of these boilers working. They're working fine now. Now this Microfill 3 pressurization system is completely dead. There's no display on it, so I'm going to diagnose that and repair that for them. First I wanted to check the fuses. There's two fuses on the board, and while I was looking at them I didn't realize the transformer was blown, so picked that up. The transformer's gone on the circuit board, so obviously the circuit board needs changing on this. Right, I'm back a few days later. I've got a new board. I had to go to Reddish to pick it up. So we're going to put that in and hopefully we're going to test it out and hopefully there's nothing else wrong with that. No, she just so what we're going to do is we're going to change that. It's been a couple of days. I forgot how I took it out, so I'm going to remember putting it back in, but we're going to have to work around it. Okay, so but that's the power and that transformer's blown. Okay, so I need to know which one goes where. That's this one, and that's this one, that's this one, and that's that. So as long as I remember which wire goes where, we don't have to do any figuring out then, innit? Okay, and that one onto that. Okay, that's that one. But the old circuit board's out, the new one's in, and I'm just securing the case on it. So once the case is on, I'm going to hang it back onto the wall, put the fuse in, and we're going to test it out then. Right, it's all on the wall now. I'm going to switch it on, but before we do that, we're going to connect it on and open the isolation on it. Okay, there you go, we got it working. So connect the filling loop on it. I've opened it there. I forgot to tighten that one, but my friend here just helped me out with that, because you got to tighten that. And the pressure is correct, and that's all working fine now. I'm just gonna put the cover on that, and that's it, made done. Came here last week. This one needed resetting. I think there's a bit of an issue on this one. Either it was in a lockout. Either there was interruption in the gas supply, or there's a problem with the gas valve on that. But it's working so far. I'm not gonna just change parts and on a guesswork. So forget that one. This one, we had to. I think the polarities on that were adjusted by someone. Somebody probably kept one of the buttons pressed for too long, the reset, and lost his. So we had to phone a technical, and they helped us out with that. So we done a factory reset on that, and that's working fine now as well. And then we had to move on to this. The board on that was gone, which is this baby here. Checked it out. You can see that it's blown, the transformer on it. So I changed the board on that. Went down to Reddish to pick up the part and got that, and it's all working fine now. Guys, if your boiler is broken down in Birmingham, give us a call. Birmingham Boiler Fix. Right, I just done the commercial boiler, those Microfill. I've also done that automatic pressure filling loop, whatever it's called. Anyway, Microfill filling loop. One of those electronic ones. I repaired that as well. That was a good little repair. That was good diagnosis. I enjoyed that. So it's all working fine. I need to come back and service the boilers. I don't have I won't be able to do today, but I'll have to come back, and I did ask him, give me about 2 weeks and I'll come back and service them for you. But it's all working fine now. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, keep smiling, stay positive. Hopefully that'll keep you happy.